In my experience, the camp chore that I least look forward to when I am setting up my site is getting and filtering water. With slide top bags like the Canuck Vecto or the Membrane Solutions water bag, attaining water is not nearly as bad as it used to be, but the filtration of that water has remained a big drain on energy and time resources. But now we have the BKLES BK2000 automatic water filter. The pump is automatic. All you need to do is attach the in and output hoses, toss the pre-filter into the water, place the out hose in your water carry system such as a bottle or a bladder, and turn it on. The flow rate is rated at between 17 and 23 ounces per minute, which means you should be able to filter a liter of water in about 2 minutes through a 0.01 micron ultra filtration membrane system that includes cotton layers, activated carbon, and a kinetic degradation layer that reduces hydrogen sulfide, chlorine, and even heavy metals. But the filtration system begins with the pre-filter, which you just toss in the water to reduce particles and sediment before they get into the actual water filter inside the pump. It is also a 0.01 micron ultrafilter. This 5-stage filtration system will get rid of 99.999% of impurities and other harmful substances. The BK2000's large capacity battery can run continuously for 4 hours, which means that in the field it's going to last several days, even if you are filtering water for more than one person. The filter can be cleaned by a backwash by simply switching the hoses and turning on the pump again. The pump itself has a 4-stage LED to let you know how much battery life is left, and it even comes with a bright flashlight to let you see what you're doing if you have to do all of this work in the dark. The filter comes with a very durable stuff sack, which includes a nylon pouch for the pump and a net pocket on the outside for the hoses and filter. This pouch can be attached to a backpack using the included carabiner, but it is also compatible with a Molly-style webbing system. The pump itself is advertised at 12 ounces, which matches what I found. However, when the system has been used and everything replaced in its stuff sack, the entire thing weighs in at 1 pound. The BK2000 lists for about $100, but it is not difficult to find closer to $60. The parts are also replaceable, with the pre-filter coming in at about $15. I have to admit that although at first this seemed like something of a gimmick, it was amazing to be able to just sit and enjoy my riverside time while a little machine did my filtering for me. Overall, I have to say I was impressed by this little filter, and while not something I would take on a through hike with me, for car camping, day hiking, or even a short multi-day trip, this device is most welcome. It would also be very handy to share during a backpacking trip, where maybe you could swap out some of your other gear for being the guy that carries the filter. If you are interested in picking up the BK2000, please see the links below, as these help the channel out without any expense to you. I hope this video has been informative. If it has, would you mind giving it a like? Subscribe to Backcountry Pilgrim if you are interested in hiking, camping, backpacking, and the gear that goes with it. And be sure to click that bell if you'd like to be notified the next time a video comes out. Until next time, I'm Doug. Thanks for watching.